Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to upload video to Google Drive using iPhone. Uploading videos to Google Drive from your iPhone is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your file management and accessibility. This video will guide you through the steps of using the Google Drive app to store your videos in the iCloud. You will learn how to install the app, login and navigate its interface to upload your videos. This method is ideal for sharing files across devices or for backup purposes, ensuring that your videos are accessible anytime, anywhere, whether for personal use or sharing with others. Mastering this skill can simplify your digital life. First, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first step is installing Google Drive on your iPhone. Google Drive, a versatile cloud storage platform, lets you easily store and access various file types, including videos from any location. Ensure that the Google Drive app is already installed on your iPhone. If not present, then open the App Store on your iPhone and use the search function at the bottom right corner to find Google Drive. Download and install the Google Drive. Once installed, open the app to start using it on your device. With Google Drive installed on your iPhone, you are all ready to begin uploading and managing your files seamlessly in the iCloud, and you are done. Next, I am going to tell you uploading videos to Google Drive using iPhone. Easily upload your videos to Google Drive from your iPhone and access them from anywhere. Open the Google Drive app on your iPhone and sign in with your Google account. You will have 15 GB of free storage available in Google Drive. In the app, go to Files tab located at the lower right corner of your screen and then tap plus icon. Next, tap on Upload File. The upload time depends on the video size and may range from a few seconds to minutes. You can choose photos and videos, or you can browse. Select the image and next tap on Upload at the top right corner. Once uploaded, your video or photo can be viewed from any device with Google Drive access like your PC. This method ensures that your videos are safely stored in the cloud and accessible whenever you need them, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to upload video to Google Drive using iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.